Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we will show you how to remove and replace key fob battery on BMW 7 Series guys. Okay, that same key fob design has been used on BMW 7 Series. Many of you ask me, how do you remove and replace the key fob battery? We are making the video today guys, stay with us, that's what we'll be covering. It should cover BMW 7 Series generation F01, F02, F03 and F04. Now, quick introduction guys, every single car we get at the shop, including guys this BMW here that we are currently working on, and every single car we get, we make at least 200 to 300 videos. Why? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the videos guys. So hopefully you will find the information helpful and it will teach you how to fix your car for free. Now, if you guys need to get a new battery, this is extremely big battery. I'm going to explain a little bit more about that. We'll have the link in the description of the video below, and you can get a replacement key fob case if you need as well, because they get wore out, and online you can find them for a very good price compared to what we have here at local stores. Okay, they charge a ridiculous amount of money for that. So this is it guys. Okay, this is the key right here. And this same key guys has been used on multiple BMW vehicles. The same design has been used on multiple BMW vehicles, so we'll show you guys how to do that now. So let's go ahead. Okay, I'm going to show you from right here so we can get a little bit more light. Okay, I'll need to grab a small screwdriver now. Okay, and I'll show you guys what we need to do. Okay, right here now on the back side. Okay, let me focus quick because the camera is waking up still. Okay, we need to press in here. Okay, and remove the key guys. Okay, once you remove the key, come on, the thing is waking up today. We have one clip. Okay, if you come on this side right there, that clip, pry it open with the screwdriver, separate both things. Okay, just like that. Now let me show you guys, okay, what else we need to do right here. This is the battery. Okay, this is your key battery here. Grab the screwdriver or a plastic something so you don't damage things, and gently guys lift it up on one side, and then the battery comes out. Check out how fat that battery is. Okay, this is the number of the battery is CR2450 guys. We'll have the link in the description of the video below. Go ahead, pull it out. Okay, I'll get the replacement battery now, and replacement battery here, we're going to push it in. Okay, get it tight like that, make sure it's secured. And next we're going to slide, okay, that's the clip right here, slide towards the front and push in until you hear that click. Listen now. Okay, it's having a little bit of a hard time getting in. Perfect. Okay, all that is being set. Now, what else we need to do? Next step guys, go ahead and insert the key. And this is it guys, that's how you remove and replace the key fob battery on BMW 7 Series. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, please subscribe to the channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.